Hello everyone, in front of me is DOOGEE V30 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account. At first, open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts and click on add account. Select Google and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. Now click on I agree. More, accept, and that's it. The account is added. If you'll tap on it again, you can smoothly remove it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.